20 divided by 5 over 2 times 6. 2 into here 1, 2 into 6, 3. Then we are left with 20 divided by 5 times 3. Now we have a division and a multiplication. We are going to work with our division first. 20 divided by 5 will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 12 is the wrong answer to this question. We have to solve our division first before solving our multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve 20 divided by 5 over 2 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 20, change division to multiplication, then flip 5 over 2 to 2 over 5. Then bring down our 6 here. Now we are going to simplify. 5 into here 1, 5 into 24. Then we have 4 times 2 times 6. Now we are going to work from our left to our right. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then we have 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is equals to 48. 48 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.